Alright kids, next stop, Phuket, Thailand. Hope the weather's better. On a positive note, I got the whole road to myself. Yeah, and a window seat. Let's do it. That old girl has had better days. Bye-bye, Saigon. Smells like Thailand. Love it. Let's see if we can find our bags. Well, made it to Phuket and it's raining. Hooray! Maybe it'll pass. All right, welcome home, Nader. This is it. Look at that view. Can you even see that view? That's sick. 15th floor overlooking Patong Bay. There's the bed. Some built-ins over there. Of course, the view. And then we have the living room area, which is sick. And if that wasn't badass enough, we're gonna flip it around. Nice bookshelf. And we got the bar and the kitchen. Oh yeah. And there's the little built-in thing in the bed. And then we're gonna keep spinning. Look at the balcony, right? Oh, what's that on the balcony? That's a hot tub. You know that's right. Not bad, not bad. There's the view. But it's raining. But not a bad view, I'd say. Not a bad view at all. Let's check out the bathroom. This is pretty awesome. This was one of the coolest places I've ever stayed. Look at the kitchen. Oh, it's yeah. Got a little 2-burner stove, a little grill. Got a washing machine, microwave, sink, pots and pans. Oh, here's the bathroom. What's up, bathroom? Sliding door. Oh, not bad. Got some little dolphins. I like it, I like it. Big giant shower. Oh yeah. Alright. I'd say that's a winner. Chicken dinner. Yeah. I love the balcony. I mean, it's cloudy and rainy right now, but that's one hell of a view. Oh yeah. If you know, then you know. I'm just trying to tell you, that is Yummy, yummy, yummy.
A little
bit rainy.
กรรมการตัดสินในครั้งนี้นะคะผู้ชาย
Patong, Patong, Tong, Tong. Rainy day in Patong. Look at a rainy day here in Atlanta. See what we got to see. World famous Bangla Road coming up on the right. There it is. Ooh, doggy. Good morning from a sort of cloudy Patong Bay, Phuket, Thailand. Man, my head is hurting. I think there was tequila involved last night. Got in town, went to my friend's bar that I've known for years, the Black Horse. Used to be called the Blue Lotus, but anyway. Met up with some old friends, drank way too much. My head is definitely hurting. This is a pretty view to wake up to. I know I look like 3 donkeys. Oh, I can't even open my eyes. I need some coffee. Good morning, Thailand. Doggy. Good morning from a sort of cloudy Patong Bay, Phuket, Thailand. Man, my head is hurting. I think there was tequila involved last night. Got in town, went to my friend's bar that I've known for years, the Black Horse. Used to be called the Blue Lotus, but anyway. Met up with some old friends, drank way too much. My head is definitely hurting. This is a pretty view to wake up to. I know I look like 3 donkeys. Oh, I can't even open my eyes. I need some coffee. Good morning, Thailand. Well, guys, it's not a sunny, beautiful day on Patong Beach, but we made it. And it's nice, it's pleasant. The sun's threatening to peek out, but it may not. It's all good. It's just good to be here. I love to hear the crashing waves and see the palm trees. Definitely one of my favorite places on earth. So today, I don't know what the heck we're gonna do. We may just hang out here on the beach in Patong. Ooh, my hair's looking good, ain't it? No, it's not. pardon me. We may go to Kamala for lunch, to the pond, I don't know. We may not do anything other than just sit and drink beer like you're supposed to at the beach. Anyway, guys, we'll do some pictures here and there and we'll take a walk around. I know you've been there and seen this with me many times, but it never gets old to me, man. I love it. Y'all come on, let's do it. My goodness, that sun is threatening to come out. I haven't seen the sun in about a week, so that's awesome. Maybe we'll get a little bit of blue sky here today. I hope so, man. Come on. Well, what a pretty beach. I love this place. I'm just gonna ramble on and talk about it. That salt spray. Beautiful, beautiful. It's definitely gorgeous. And there's the sun. Yes, sun. Come on! So one cool thing about knowing a bar owner and on Bangla Road is at night, if you run out of money, like the old days in America, they let you hang your tab and come back the next day and pay it, which I just did. Thank you for letting me hang my tab of 1,000 baht till today. Love you guys. Great bar, by the way. If you're ever on Bangla Road, that's it. Go check them out. One of the things I love about having a condo is being able to cook breakfast. Oh yeah. I love cooking. Well, any plans for today got canceled. Let me show you why. Watch this magic. Oof. I mean, it is coming down. Ooh-wee. No good, no good. Ain't no good coming of that. Dang it. Well, guys, I ventured out to get some late lunch, or actually early dinner. Food court at Central Mall. Awesome. Got some yummies. Little duck over noodles with some like green vegetable, sort of like a miso broth, and a Coke. I think that costs like $6, almost $6, or a little over $6. Not bad though, and it tastes wonderful. Yummy. It's so cute. Getting a little crowded. Well, we're gonna try. Let's go look. Well, good morning from Patong Bay, Thailand. Ooh, didn't stay out too late last night, but I'm getting too old for this. Anyway, another rainy day it looks like here. I think, you know, usually when I come in June here, it's about 50-50. But this year, man, we're batting 1,000 with rain. It sucks. But anyway, we're gonna make the best of it. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it was a long one. If you're watching this on YouTube, like and subscribe. See you later.